Good morning and Merry Christmas to you all. Just a reminder, it's not a criminal offence to be given clothes for Christmas, and you can't sue anybody because they gave you the wrong size. But if that does happen, just a few tips. If you've got something that is too big, too small, wrong colour, doesn't fit, don't like it, and you want to return it, just remember, don't take the labels off and don't do anything to it that would make it unsaleable for the shop. Because if you want to return it, then they're going to want the labels to be intact and all these kind of things. So even if you haven't worn it out or done anything significant with it, if you've taken the labels off it, the shop may well just refuse to take it back, whatever their policies say otherwise. Typically, they are going to require that these labels are intact and that it just hasn't been used. So if you've taken something out of the packaging and you simply don't want it, you want to return it, try to get it back in the box or in resaleable condition so that they're more likely to take it back. This will also go for things that you've bought online as well. Even if you are still within the returns window, if you've done something to it that makes it not saleable anymore or just degrades the value, then they may well be able to deduct something from the value that they gave back to you or just refuse altogether. Within the first 14 days, you don't need a reason to send it back, but they might be able to deduct something from the value if it's been degraded. This is because in Regulation 34, subsection 9 of the Consumer Contract Regulations, if in the case of a sales contract, the value of the goods is diminished by any amount as a result of handling by the goods by the consumer beyond what's necessary to establish the nature, characteristics and functioning of the goods, the trader may recover that amount from the consumer up to the contract price. And within the first 30 days, you have a short-term right to reject, but principally where there is a defect with the product. So that said, enjoy your gifts, enjoy your day, and more from me soon. Happy Christmas.